Hey guys, thanks for watching Composition University. Today I'm going to show you how to make a starter pack using PowerPoint. My starter pack is for flat earth theorists. And let's get started. First thing we're going to do is create a new folder on our desktop so that we can place all of the images we gather from the internet into that folder. I'm going to name the folder Starter Pack Photos. And the first picture I want is of pancakes because they're flat. Once you find an image you have in mind, click on it. And then right-click on the image and select Save Image As. Check to see that your image is saving either as a JPEG or a PNG. Then save the image into your starter pack folder so that it will be easy for you to find later. The next image I want a car with flat tires. And I found this image, but when I tried to save it, it was a WebP file or web page file. I don't use those because I've had problems trying to copy and paste WebP images into Word documents and PowerPoint and other programs, so let's find another. I found this one and I saved it into my Starter Pack Photos folder. Then I wanted to find a clothing iron because we make things flat with those. So I found this and did the same thing with it as I did with the previous two. And then I wanted a kid's science kit because flat earth theorists need science to prove to us round earthers that the world is actually flat. And here I found another WebP file, so I'm not going to use that. And it was kind of difficult finding an image of a kid's science kit. I found this other image and it was also a web page single file, so I couldn't use that. But at last I found an image that I could use and it was time to put this together. So now let's open PowerPoint. When you open PowerPoint, it will start with a standard title slide template, and we don't want that, we want a blank. So right click on the slide and delete it, and then click on New Slide and choose a blank slide. Because your audience will view your project on a screen, we don't want this bright white slide as our background color. Click on Format Background and then choose a darker color. And now we need to add a title. Click on the Insert tab, then click on Text Box. Then draw a text box onto your slide. As your title, make the font color something that will stand out and that is easy to read against your darker background color. Then resize and select the font style and center it or arrange it however you like. Now go to the Insert tab and we will begin placing the images we gathered from our web search into our slides. Find the folder you created for your images and choose one to add to your slide. Click Insert. Dragging from the corners, resize the image and then position it onto your slide. Once it's positioned, add a text label. Click Insert, click on Text Box and draw a text box below the image. Add your text, change its color, its font size, its position to whatever you like. I'm going to speed through as I insert the images and add text for those. You may position and size your images to your liking. I'm kind of OCD, so I like everything in lines and I like all of my text uniform. But don't be afraid to design your starter pack with your audience in mind. Think of font styles, colors, arrangement of images and text, and your background colors may also reflect your audience's favorite colors. In this video, I'm providing you a how-to, but not necessarily a what to do. When you have finished, we want to export this slide as a JPEG. JPEG file sizes are small, and the quality of the image is good enough for this assignment. Click on the File tab, then click on Export, and then click on Change File Type. Then click JPEG Format. Name your file and save it in your starter pack folder. PowerPoint will ask if you want to save all slides or just this one. There should only be one slide, so click just this one. You can now go to your starter pack photos folder and find your project saved as a JPEG and open it in other programs. I also recommend saving the PowerPoint project file in case you want to go back and make changes and export a new JPEG project. Good luck. You've got this, and thanks for watching.